Hello and welcome back to Always the Boy. Now then, over this weekend I've been a bit Tom Dick, so I haven't done nothing really at all, but what people have been doing, they come and just dumped some mowers in me drive. They did message me and they says, we've got these old mowers, can we give them to you? One of them did buy one off of me, I give them that, so I know I was a bit ill, but you can't stop trying to make a bit of money, can you? So it's only a short video, this one. Let's just go and see what I've got. Right, okay, first one. This is really old. I've never seen one. This is a plastic deck and it's a McCulloch Mac 180 BRS. I've never seen one of these at all before. It's got a 5 horsepower Quantum engine on it. It is in a total mess, I really have to admit. Pull cord on it ain't working at all. Now this one, it's got let's do it this way because you can see it then. Now it's in foreign language, you know. You can see, but it's meant to have auto drive on it as well, but I think there's a cable missing for the auto drive, because I think it's meant to go just inside there. This one's for the drive, but I'm talking about for the blade to go around, plus this cable here is a bit at it as well. Now this is Xander. Say hello to Xander. Hello, Kel. There you are. This is my little staffy dog Xander. Yeah. Anyway, also underneath it, I'm going to tip it up, it don't really matter. Try to do this in one hand. There we are. It's got a roller, metal roller on it as well. Now I've never seen one where it's got wheels and it's also got the roller as well. This is a new one. So I don't know how old this is or what actually country it's come from. So that's that one. Someone asked me if I wanted that. I said I couldn't pick it up because I ain't too well. And they wanted it away at their garden, so they went and brought it around. The other one is this one. This is the condition. Someone's already had a go at it. But what I have noticed, there's a little clip missing from there. This looks like there's an old Champion or something like that. It was red, and someone's, of course, they've painted it black by the looks of it. They ain't done a good job on it either. It's got a little hole there. Now, what do? Do I keep it? Do I strip it down? Put some fiberglass onto that one? Yeah, might as well. I think. Now, this one here is called a Trojan. I done one of these last year. This was really good, and it turned out really well. On the other one, I was able to keep the sticker, but I ain't. But I've just realised I've got a mate of mine quite locally, and he does decals. So I'm going to get him to make some for me and see what he does charge. And the other one is, someone said they don't want this one because the head's gone. The spark plug shed is inside there. But what, I was chatting with Mixed Mowers today and he said that you can get a sleeve for it. But I'm thinking what I should do. I've got a few engines that I stripped a few weeks back, and I might just change the head on it. Head cover, you know, and put that in here. But this one also has a hole. It's just here, only a small one, and a bit on the top. So I might fiberglass that as well. The rest of the paint job ain't too bad. Now what do I do though? So do I strip all the paint off of that one, or just fix that patch up? Sorry about it, the camera went off. I don't know why. Anyway, so this Trojan, I think all I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to strip this one back, completely back, and do a good job on it. So I've got that one, that one, and that one. Now, this one's going to have to be black because of these wheels. Red and green ain't going to match, so that one's going to be black. So I might do those two. And the other one was this little Hobby 48. No grass box. I think that's going to be a project. It hasn't got the right handles on it either. because it's meant to be over that way, I think, basically. And that is it. So let's just have a look in here. A little collection, all those grass boxes over there, and inside there, let's turn the lights on. Bit of a mess at the moment, my workshop. And I have got, oh, here's another one. This one here is a Rover Raider, which I was given for nothing. I don't have a grass box for that one either. This is one I've finished. That one's finished. Got a Flymo electric start over there. I've got to do that one as well. These two are all finished. And let's have a look at my workshop. Bit of a mess. Need to have a clear up. I was meant to have done it this weekend, but because I was bits on deck, I didn't bother with it. And up there, spray paints, oils and stuff. All that lot over there. All this is all to do with me radio control planes. Some of them I've made, some of them I've crashed. Some of the others, some are electric, some I didn't make. And that's my beast, that's my beauty one, that was. And he got a Mustang, which I've now retired as that happens. I've had my time with that, and it has had a couple of unsafe landings and broke the undercarriage out. And that's it basically. Tools, bits and bobs. It's only a small workshop. I really haven't got a lot of room in here, believe it or not. So, and my compressor. Now you wouldn't think this compressor here, if I could turn this around, if you can see what it is, believe it or not, this little thing here operates an air gun, believe it or not. And it takes off the blades. I've even used it on my car to change a wheel, and you know, it's incredible. A little thing like that would do all that. Under there, loads of spares. So need a clear out as well, really. Even on there, look at the state of that. Look, never mind. All right, okay. So let's just change it around here. So if you like this one, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget, down the bottom there is a little subscribe button on the screen there now as well, and please subscribe. Don't forget that little notification bell. Till next time, cheerio.